হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু দ্য মেমোরি ওয়ার্ল্ড। আমি অনিক। আজকের টপিক ডেলি কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স। চলুন শুরু করা যাক। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হোয়েন ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড পেস্ট ডে অবজার্ভ? অপশান এ 4th জুন, বি 5th জুন, সি 6th জুন, ডি 7th জুন। অ্যান্সার ইজ 6th জুন। Next question, 6th June is dedicated to celebrated which official language recognized by the United Nations? Option A English, B Russian, C French, D Arabic. Answer is Russian. Next, World Food Safety Day is observed on 7th June globally. What is the theme of World Food Safety Day 2021? Option A Food Safety Everyone's Business, B Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow, C Grow It Safe, D Our Action are Our Future. Answer is B Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow. Next, CBSE partners with to introduce coding and data science as new subject in 2021 to 2022 academic session. Option A Microsoft, B Intel, C Google, D IBM. Answer is Microsoft. Next question, which state and UT has launched knowledge economy mission to boost job prospect in the state by supporting knowledge workers? Option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Jharkhand, D Puducherry. Answer is Kerala. Next question, World Ocean Day is celebrated every year on? Option A 7th June, B 8th June, C 9th June, D 10th June. Answer is 8th June. Next question, what is the theme for World Ocean Day 2021? Option A Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean, B Gender and the Ocean, C Healthy Ocean, Healthy Planet, D the Ocean Life and Livelihood. Answer is the Ocean Life and Livelihood. Next question, in Kokarajhar district has become Assam's 6th national park? Option A Manos, B Orang, C Raimona, D Nameri. Answer is Raimona. Next question, United States to hand over MH-60 Romeo multi-role chopper in India in July. Option 1 B 2, C 3, D 4. Answer is C 3. Next question, which institute is at the top among the Indian institutes in the top 100 of the Asia University Ranking 2021? Option A IIFT-New Delhi, B IISC-Bangalore, C IIM-Ahmedabad, D IIT-Indore. Answer is IISC-Bangalore. Next question, the World Accreditation Day is observed annually on? Option A 7th June, B 9th June, C 8th June, D 6th June. Answer is B 9th June. Next question, who has been appointed as the new election commissioner of India? Option A Sushil Chandra, B Rajiv Kumar, C Anup Chandra Pandey, D Sunil Arora. Answer is C Anup Chandra Pandey. Next question, which of the following state announced to create of 80 acres of Oxi-van? Option A Haryana, B Rajasthan, C Gujarat, D Punjab. Answer is Haryana. Next question, RBI has granted approval for the reappointment of as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank? Option A, Vivek Bindra, B, Shekhar Ghosh, C, Sachin Gupta, D, Rohan Pratap Singh. Answer is B, Shekhar Ghosh. Next, who won the Best Drama Award in the BAFTA TV Award 2021? Option A, Inside Nong 9, B, I May Destroy You, C, Save Me Too, D, Roadkill. Answer is C, Save Me Too. নেক্সট 5 কোশ্চেন তোমাদের জন্য, যেগুলোর উত্তর তোমরা আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবে। আর যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে তাহলে লাইক, কমেন্ট আর শেয়ার করতে ভুলবে না।